In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font color in WPS Office. Changing the color of your text is a simple yet effective way to make your documents more visually appealing, emphasize important points, or organize content in a clear and professional manner. WPS Office provides an easy-to-use interface for customizing text colors, whether you are working on a single word or an entire paragraph. To start, first select the text that you want to change. Highlighting the correct section is important because only the selected text will be affected by the color change. Once your text is highlighted, look for the A icon in the toolbar. This is the text color option, and it gives you control over the appearance of your selected text. Next, tap on the small downward triangle next to the A icon. This will open a color palette displaying a wide range of colors. You can choose any color you like to apply to your text. Simply tap on the color you prefer, and it will instantly change the font color of the highlighted text. If you want to apply colors to multiple sections of text, just select each section and repeat the process. The color drop-down also includes a gradient field, which allows you to create subtle transitions and shading effects for a more dynamic appearance. For example, if you select a green shade from the palette, the text will update from its original color to the chosen green. You can see how the change takes effect immediately, giving your document a more vibrant look. This feature is particularly useful when you want to differentiate headings, emphasize keywords, or organize information visually. If you ever want to remove the applied colors and return the text to black, simply select the colored text, go back to the color drop-down menu, and select black.